Hello guys, welcome to our channel Tech Tricks World. Today I'm here with one more video. In this video I'm going to guide you about transferring your Discord server ownership to someone else. For this you have to be the owner of that server. So first of all, go to discord.com and log in using your ID and password. Once logged in, you can see the server list in the left side. Choose the server which ownership you want to transfer. Now right click on the server and go to the server settings and then click on members. Now you will see the list of members of that server. Next to each member there is 3-dot menu, as you can see here. Now click the 3-dot menu just next to the member whom you want to transfer the ownership of your server and click on transfer ownership. Now the system will ask for acknowledgement. Just do that and click transfer ownership. Now Discord will ask you to enter the verification code which it has sent to your registered email. So go to your email and copy the code and enter there. Now click again on transfer ownership. That's it. This is what you have to do to transfer the ownership of your server. Now your ownership of that server is transferred to that user. Now if you go to the member list, you will see that the other user is now the server owner. You will be a normal user of that server now. So this is how you can transfer Discord server ownership to others. I hope you liked this video. If you really did, please do like and share. Also, please subscribe to our channel for getting such techie videos. Thank you so much for watching this video.